are Lugi Simila.
Yeah.
Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. With the pose with the pose with the fans.
Harap na.
So for today, mag-interview po tayo ng random people for our final activity in mathematics and modern world. So we're here at Fairview Terraces and let's get started. Arat na!
Nandito kami ngayon sa SC Court para maghanap ng aming interview.
So meron na po tayong nakitang i-interviewin si ate. What's your name po?
Theo po.
Ano po? Year and course?
First year from HM, Hospitality Management.
And from what school po?
National University.
So ate, may naka-ready po kami ng mga questions for you. So, ang instruction lang po is, ipindot niyo lang po pang nasa gitna. Kung sino po yung mapipili, spin the wheel, siya po yung magtatanong sa inyo. Are you ready na po ate?
50-50? Yes, ready na.
So, ate, ako po yung napili niyo sa multiple, sa pagpili po ng question po. So, ito po yung first question is, how each term in Fibonacci sequence obtained? A, multiplying the previous two numbers. B, by adding the previous two numbers. C, by subtracting the second term from the first. Or D, by dividing the previous number by 2. What's the answer? Okay, tama po yung question nyo. Yay! Dahil tama po yung answer nyo, ito po yung prize.
So now we're going to find another interview for our next question. Saan tayo?
Ate, parang may kita ako doon. Sila na interview natin. Since konti lang sila. So guys, meron na po tayong nahanap na pangalawang i-interview. So ate, ano pong name mo? And from what school po kayo? And ilan taon na po kayo? Oh, minor. So here's the instruction first po. Mag-spin the wheel po kayo. And kung sino po yung mapili dyan, yun po yung mag-a-ask ng question sa inyo. So, I'm Princess po. And for the first question is, true or false lang po yung isasagot. Patterns are regular, repeated, and recurring form of defense. Is it true or false po? So, is correct guys. Tama po yung sagot niya, which is, dahil po tama yung sagot niya, may prize siya. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Yay! Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Maghahanap tayo ng another interviewee, pero dapat pogi.
Ayun, pogi na!
Oh my God! Ayun na siya. Oh my God. Ate niya, sino may cure ako? Ganda ba?
Tabi!
Yes.
Lumapit na tayo sa pogi.
Eh, ito na po. What's her name po? Nonchalant siya. Nakasmile na. Hi.
Okay, so meron pa tayong isang nakitang i-interview. Gusto niya na ba silang makita? Tara, puntahan natin. Ay, ang gaganda! Ano po pangalan?
Guys, I think we found the new one na may interview natin. Pa-interview.
Sure po.
So, I'm Princess po, and I have a question po for you. And the first question is, which of the following best defines a set? So, may choices naman po siya. First choice as
A collection of similar objects. Letter B, a well-defined collection of objects. And letter C, a group of unrelated items. And letter D po is all of the above. Ano pong answer niyo? Letter A po.
It's wrong po. It's letter B po. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
We're here now at the Preview Terraces and we're gonna interview another people. Your name, please. So, here's the question po. Which of these is the pattern you might see in the petals of a flower? Letter A, straight line. B, spiral or circular arrangement. C, random shape. Or D, zigzag. Tama po. Dahil nanalo si Ate, meron siyang prize. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Harap na.
Miss Carmen Herodimo from Sacred Heart Academy.
Hello, Miss Carla. Here's the question ko about mathematical pattern. What is the next number in the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, blank?
2, 4, 8, 16,
Blank.
32.
Tama.
Ay, meron bang choices?
Yes po.
Okay, sige.
Tama po yan. So guys, we found another one na i-interviewin natin. So, let's go.
Pwede pong ask mo muna namin what's your name po. And then, so, ito na po yung question. You are organizing a community event and you have two lists of attendees. List A contains the people who signed up for the morning session and list B contains the people who signed up for the afternoon session. You want to know how many people are attending both sessions. Bale po, ilang tao daw po ang a-attending both. Yes po. So, ito po yung list A. Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, and Eve. Then sa list B naman po, Charlie, Eve, Frank, Grace, Helen. So, how many people are attending both morning and afternoon sessions? A po. That's right po. And dahil po tama yung sagot niyo, meron po kayong prize po sa amin. So, dahil po tama si Ma'am, prize niya. Alright, so kanina pa po kami nahihirapan maghanap ng interviewhead and buti na lang merong mababait na nag-guest sa amin. So,
Tara na.
let's go!
What's your name po?
My name is Ezekiel po.
From what school and year po?
Lagro High School, Units 11.
Okay, so here is your question po. Which of these is a mathematical expression, not a sentence? A, 7x plus 3. B, 2y minus 5 equals 9. C, 6 plus 4 equals 10. And D, x minus 8 equals 12. So, ay po din yung expression. So, ay po din yung expression. So, ay po din yung expression. So, ay po din yung expression.
Next naman po, we are here with,
John Ray.
and then what grade and section po?
Units 11, Rizal.
Okay, so here is your question. Which of the following numbers... So next here we have,
John Ray.
from what grade and section?
Yung sa 11 po.
Okay, so here is your question. Which of the following number sequences represents an arithmetic pattern? So again, which of the following number sequences represent an arithmetic pattern? So A, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. B, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And C, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48.
8. Letter 8.
Mali po. It's okay. Better luck next time. So, thank you po.
Thank you so much po.
Bigyan natin siya ng prize.
Prize. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Nakita na naman kami. Last na siya, guys. Uuwi na kami.
Na guys.
So,
Hello po. What's your name po and from what school?
Yan po.
Hello John. This topic is about elementary logic po. Ano po? True or false? In a valid argument, the conclusion must always be true. Is it true or false? The answer is false po. It's okay po. Better luck next time.
yay! So, for our last interview, so, we have Charlotte. And what school po? All food. So, ano lang po siya, basic lang din naman po sa question. Our question is, who invented the Fibonacci sequence? A. Isaac Newton. B. Pythagoras. C. Leonardo Bonacci of Pisa. A. Sorry po, mali po. Pero meron pa rin po kayong prize. Isa nga lang. Ganito.